Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about the 4 steps that all affiliate marketers need to follow to be successful. Now in today's video things will be a little different as I will be using Microsoft Notebook to illustrate what I'm saying, hence the screen you're viewing at present. The fact is most people who try affiliate marketing fail. Why is that the case? Well actually there are a number of reasons that I'm not going to delve into right now. There is a lot of misinformation peddled online about how to succeed as an affiliate marketer, and unfortunately most of it only wastes your time and money. In truth, there are just 4 steps you need to learn and apply to be a successful affiliate marketer. And before we move on to what these 4 steps are, let me just say this. Every successful affiliate marketer online is almost certainly following these 4 steps, and for this reason you need to pay attention to today's video, because there's no way around this. If you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, then you need to learn and apply these 4 steps. But before we move on to that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video, and also the subscribe button. Now when you hit the subscribe button you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, the 4 steps that all affiliate marketers need to follow to be successful. Our goal as an affiliate marketer is to generate an income. Okay, that's our goal, to generate an income. So how do we achieve this? Well, there are 4 steps that you need to follow. Now it's possible you may have heard of some or maybe even all these steps, but it's how you apply them that matters to your chances of success. Okay, let's look at what these 4 steps are. The first step is traffic. Okay, the first step is traffic. All affiliate marketers need a way of getting traffic. There's no way to generate an income online as an affiliate marketer without traffic. Now there are 2 main types of traffic. There's free traffic and there's paid traffic. But let's be clear about one thing. To generate an income, you first of all need a source of traffic. Now once you have a source of traffic clicking on your links, the next step is what we call the capture phase. So the second phase is what we call the capture phase. This basically involves capturing your prospect's email address using a simple 1-page website. Okay, so we're going to use a simple 1-page website to capture their email address. The idea here is to build an audience of prospects so you can tell them about your offers and generate an income. The bigger your audience, the more money you can make. So here we're trying to build an audience of prospects. Now just driving traffic and building an audience is not enough. What you now need to do is the 3rd step, which is to follow up. Okay, so the 3rd step is to follow up. This means sending messages via email. Okay, so you're going to be sending out messages to your prospects via email. The idea here is to develop a relationship so your prospects get to know, like and trust you. Then they're more likely to listen to you when you make an offer. Now this brings us to the 4th step, which is very important. The 4th step is making offers. Okay, but to be successful, you need to send them to a unique sales system that pays affiliate commissions ranging in prices up to over $1,000. Now, this is only possible with a particular type of sales system that most affiliates don't know how to find. So the fourth step is sales systems, where we want to use a particular type of sales system that will pay commissions up to and over $1,000. So just to recap the 4 steps. First, we're going to drive traffic, okay, to a simple one-page website. So there we go. We're going to drive traffic to a simple one-page website where we're looking to build an audience by obtaining that email address. And we do this, like I say, using a simple one-page website. We then move to step 3, where we follow up with our prospects by sending emails to build a relationship. And finally, we move to step 4, where we make offers by sending them to a particular type of sales system. This is how it's possible to make a full-time income as an affiliate marketer. Now, I hope this all makes sense, but I'm sure you have a few questions like, how do I go about setting all this up? What exactly is that type of sales system? How do I get one? How do I use it to make commissions of $1,000 plus and grow my own profitable affiliate business? Well, if you click the link in my description just below this video, you'll be able to sign up for a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will go into more detail about these 4 steps and how you need to apply them to grow a profitable affiliate business. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and watch the free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.